Sienna Sky had 20 million followers and a smile that could sell ice to an Eskimo. I had a reputation for being the best interior designer in the city. But when I sent her the bill for 6 months of work, she didn't send a check. She sent a viral video. She called me a predator and a fraud to her massive audience. My phone didn't stop ringing for 3 days, not with clients, but with death threats. She thought her blue check made her untouchable. She didn't realize that in a courtroom, likes don't count as evidence. Within 48 hours, I lost every client I had. My studio was vandalized. Sienna was winning. She even posted a GRWM, get ready with me, video while she sat on a custom Italian leather sofa I had imported for her, laughing about how she saved the community from a scammer. She was using my work as the backdrop for my destruction. Sienna's mistake was her ego. She filmed everything for her behind-the-scenes vlog, including the parts she thought she deleted. During the discovery phase of the lawsuit, we subpoenaed her raw, unedited cloud storage. She fought it for months, claiming privacy. The judge disagreed. The courtroom was packed with her fans and the press. Sienna took the stand, pretending to cry, talking about how traumatized she was by my poor workmanship. Then my lawyer pressed play. It wasn't the edited vlog. It was the hot mic footage from the day she decided not to pay. The jury heard her clearly saying to her assistant, "The house looks incredible. It's literally perfect. But if I trash him online, his reputation will be so bad, he won't dare sue me for the bill. It's a free $500,000 renovation, babe." The silence in the court was deafening. The jury didn't just award me my $500,000 fee. They tacked on $10 million in malicious defamation damages. Sienna's sponsors dropped her before she even left the building. She wanted to use her platform to bury me. Instead, she used it to broadcast her own funeral. In the world of filters, the truth is the only thing that doesn't need an edit. Subscribe to Cold Dish Chronicles for more high-definition justice.